Introduction to Agile methodologies. Agile methodologies are the set of iterative and incremental software development practices that emphasize flexibility, collaboration, and rapid delivery of working software. They provide a flexible, customer-centric approach to software engineering in contrast to traditional, more rigid waterfall models. The different steps for the agile meetings are planification and preparation, teamwork and sprint backlogs, action plan and planification, sprint action plan implementation, deployment and retrospective. The Agile Manifesto and its principles. First one, the individual and the interactions. Second, working software over comparative documents, customer collaboration, responding to change, and individuals and interactions over process and tools, working software over comparative documents, so customer collaboration over contact negotiation, uh, responding to change, over following a plan. Principles in Agile Manifesto. There are 12 principles: Scrum roles, ceremony and articrafts roles, product owners, scrum master, development team, ceremonies, sprint planning and daily scrum, sprint review, sprint retrospective, articraft, product backlogs, sprint backlogs, increment, Kanban visualization, visualizing the workflow, visualize, create a Kanban board to the display of the workflow, limit WIP, establish the limits to the number of tasks in progress, manage flow, optimize the flow of work through the process. Kanban visualizing the workflow. Visualize, create a Kanban board to the display the workflow. Limit WIP, establish the limits on the number of tasks in the progress. Manage flow, optimize the flow of work through the process. Extreme programming, practice and values. Practice pair programming, test driven development, continuous interactions, simple design, refactoring, values, communication, simplicity, feedback, courage, respect. Adaptive versus predictive methodologies. Adaptive methodologies focus on flexibility, responding to the change, and iterative delivery. Product predictive methodologies focus on comprehensive planning and detailed requirements and sequential delivery. Agile scaling frameworks: SAFE, LESS, NEXUS. SAFE Scaled Agile Framework, LESS Large Scale Scrum, NEXUS Scaled Scrum. The three building blocks of the SAFE. Scaled Agile Framework. There are three types: Agile Development, System Thinking, Lean Product Development, Maximize Customer Value. Agile scaling frameworks, so SAFE, LESS, NEX, UX, SAFE scaled Agile framework, LESS large Scrum, scale Scrum, NEX, UX, scale Scrum. The three building blocks of the SAFE are the scaled Agile frameworks and Agile development and the uh, system thinking and the large learn product development. Maximize customer value, Agile adaptations, challenges and best practices. There are three adaptations: cultural change, transition from the traditional to agile mindsets, training and coaching, providing comprehensive agile education and support, organizational alignment, providing comprehensive agile education and support, organizational alignment, aligning teams, process and tools to align principles. Agile adaptations, challenges, the best practices, cultural change, the transition from the traditional to the agile mindset, the transition, training and the coaching, provide comprehensive agile education and support organizational agilement, agiling teams, process and tools to the agile principles.